I've been dreaming all.
Hey everyone, let's talk about Mamata Machinery, a company from India that makes packaging machines. Think machines that make bags and pouches for all sorts of things. They just launched their IPO, their initial public offering, and it's super popular. The IPO was open for 5 days from December 19th to December 23rd. They're planning to start trading on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange on December 27th. Look for their stock symbol, Mamata. The company wants to raise R179, 39 crores, which is about $22 million. They're selling shares at Rs230 to Rs243 each. That's about $3 to $3.50. Now here's the important part. This whole IPO is an offer for sale. This means the company itself isn't getting any new money. Instead, people who already own shares are selling some of theirs. But the huge demand for this IPO shows that investors are excited about Mamata Machinery's future. This IPO was a huge hit. Overall, it was oversubscribed by 194.95 times. That means almost 200 times more people wanted shares than there were shares available. Let's look closer. Big investors like investment companies asked for 235.88 times the shares available to them. Wealthy individuals wanted even more. They asked for 274.38 times the shares. And regular people like you and me also wanted in, subscribing 138.08 times over. Even Mamata's employees wanted shares, subscribing 153.26 times over. This shows everyone is confident about Mamata Machinery. Everyone, from big companies to regular people, sees a bright future. This IPO is the 5th most popular IPO in India in 2024. That's a really big deal. So, why is everyone so excited? Mamata Machinery is a big player in the packaging industry worldwide. They've been around since 1989 and are still growing. Mamata sells to over 75 countries. From Mumbai to New York City, Mamata's machines package goods for some of the biggest companies. We're talking huge food companies, online stores, and many more. And they're always innovating. They're always researching and inventing new technologies. They don't just sell machines, they offer complete packaging solutions. With factories in India and the USA, they can serve their customers quickly. They've got it all. Before you invest, remember that every investment has risks. Mamata Machinery is no different. One worry is they depend on a few large customers. If one of those customers leaves, it could hurt their sales. There's also currency risk. Changes in money values can affect their profits. And the cost of materials like steel and electronics can change a lot. If those prices go up, Mamata might have to raise their prices, which could make customers go elsewhere. There are also some questions about the company's past. There are some missing records about the people who started the company. That's not a good sign. But even with these risks, most people are positive. Investors are willing to pay extra for these shares before they even start trading. Experts also like Mamata's strong position in the market and see a lot of growth potential in the packaging industry. So, that's Mamata Machinery in a nutshell. It's an exciting opportunity, but remember, every investment has risks.